NFT presentation. We're going to cover the miners, the benefits of the NFT that you'll have. And then we'll look at the old Zixxar platform, and it does have an expiry date, so that's going to be very important for everyone to take note of. And of course, the new projects on the new Zixxar platform. So without any further ado, I'm going to introduce our fearless leader, the man with the world-leading plan, the masterclass we've all been waiting for, always working overtime. I call him OT. You can call him our CEO and co-founder, Mr. Ovidiu Toma. It's all yours, OT.
Hello, guys. Thanks, Howard, for your kind introduction. As kind as every time, Howard is the man with the speech. Actually, I am the man with the plan, but Howard is the man with the speech. So, guys, welcome. You all know me, so there's no need of further introduction. I'm very happy. I can see, okay, 67, 68, and the list is growing. So I'm super happy. I'll try to talk a little bit off topic for the next 2, 3, 4 minutes till everybody joins, so nobody loses the news and the plans. So I'm very happy to see here a lot of very cool old Zixxar guys, a lot of them. Actually, it's amazing, and it's amazing what we managed to achieve in the past few months. It's been a hard work, and actually we had no time to sleep, no time to rest. No summer holidays, just working and working and working to deliver our best. And yep, there's a lot of new things I'm about to discuss with you guys. I'm about to announce a lot of new things. And of course, on top of everything, I wanted especially to take some time. Of course, there's no way I can teach you the new Zixxar platform in an hour or 2 hours. But I would like to point a few of the strengths and a few of the new features of the new Zixxar version of the beta Zixxar, as you know it now. It will be Zixxar starting beginning of September. So as you probably know, our previous version, so the initial Zixxar platform, was built by us in-house, but actually it was missing some very cool and enthusiastic features, and it was a little bit hard to understand. So as we promised a few months ago, we worked in the background to develop the new Zixxar platform, which you call now, you can see it as beta Zixxar. So actually we remade from scratch the entire platform to be a lot more interactive, to show a lot more content, to be more up to date in terms of incorporating our projects and our new features and our incentives and our new ranks and the achievements, recognition, and everything. So probably, as you know, like last month, we launched it officially. And since then, we started to add a lot of new features, and we keep adding new features. That's why it's called beta. And by the beginning of September, we consider the new platform will be 100% incorporating all the new functions and features. So yep, I consider it's a huge milestone we achieved over this summer to build a new platform. And speaking about milestones, guys, a very big step we took for our company. And when I speak about company, I speak about the entire project, which is CryptoData, the mother company, and of course Zixxar as a sales platform, as a unique sales platform of CryptoData. So as everybody knows, Zixxar is the daughter of CryptoData. Zixxar is our extension and our sales platform. And we kept considering, how do we go global? We have amazing products, we have amazing projects, we have amazing cooperations, we have amazing community and team within Zixxar. So we had to bring a novelty, and we had to bring, guys, a tool for you as affiliates, because you represent us as a company. We had to bring an amazing tool to go global and to create a global exposure as marketing. And that is actually a partnership we've been working in the background for about half a year until now. And we barely really revealed it like 3 weeks ago. That is the partnership and the sponsorship and the agreement we signed with MotoGP. So probably you all know MotoGP is actually, as Formula One is the highest rank of vehicle, 4 wheels vehicle racing, so cars racing, MotoGP is actually the same level in terms of motorcycle. So it is, you can call it, and I'm pretty sure you all know, the Formula One of motorcycles, and that is the MotoGP, which is an amazing race with over 30, 40, 50 years of history. So officially CryptoData and all the projects, of course, because CryptoData is a holding company, is a part of this sport, is a proud sponsor, a proud title sponsor, not just a corner sponsor. It's been a hard journey with due diligence and audit and discussing with such a high ranked company as MotoGP. So we made it in the end. We have now global exposure. And I don't know if you're aware, but global exposure means, especially for the race in the Grand Prix of Austria, which is actually CryptoData Grand Prix of Austria, okay? CryptoData Motorrad von Österreich. Actually, we're the main sponsor in this race. That means we're literally everywhere. Global exposure because altogether, MotoGP followers and fans around the world is counted to be at least 400 million. When streamed in the weekend of the race, only in the weekend of the race, there's over 110 million viewers, okay? 110 million people watching this sport in that weekend. And of course, all the online marketing pre-race and after race and all the photos and all the indexing. So it is huge, guys. It will go huge. And it will go huge as a CryptoData brand, as a big umbrella. But of course, CryptoData is not a standalone company. CryptoData has Zixxar. So we bring a lot of leverage for selling our CryptoData products. And who is the sales of the CryptoData products? Of course, you, the Zixxar platform, the Zixxar members, the Zixxar affiliates, our community. So that is actually from our point of view, one of the biggest milestones, the biggest achievements we made until now to go global, to have a global reputation and awareness. And you have to use this and you have to leverage this information. You have to leverage this image. You have to leverage this event as affiliates up to its best. Why? Because it's something to promote products of an unknown company, of a nobody company, of a small company nobody heard of. And it's a different story to promote and sell and market products of a company that goes global, of a company with a global exposure. So this is an amazing thing, and we will keep discussing about the subject on and on. But I'm telling you, this is big. And I'm pretty sure most of our community knows what MotoGP as a sport is. For those who don't know, please, guys, Google a little bit about this sport and about the exposure, and you understand what you can do with this information and how you can actually promote and use this information. Because in the end of the day, Zixxar and our affiliates, they are our extension, our sales partners, our marketing tool, our marketing partners. So for marketing, what do you need? You need brand awareness, exposure, reputation, and the product itself. Now, the product, we have it and we had it all the time. With it, good, small delivery issues sometimes, with logistics issues sometimes because we were a little bit late due to the COVID context, due to the logistic issue between China and Europe and all the other stuff. But in the end of the day, we proved everybody we deliver. We proved everybody our products work amazing good. We proved everybody our technology is good and up and running. The CryptoData technology, the Xiden technology, integrating all our projects and so on. So the product and the project we have and we had all the time. Global brand awareness and exposure, we had a very little global exposure and brand awareness exposure up to this point. From now on, guys, we're a huge corporate, and from now on, the exposure will keep growing and growing. So you have to use and leverage this marketing thing. So this is actually one of the points I wanted to touch and one of the points I wanted to discuss with you. I would love actually to, because as far as I can see, everybody here is actually one of our top leaders. So everybody knows who we are and what we do. So it's enough talking about the project, but I would love actually to start touching the new platform. And I'm pretty sure you all touched the platform, but I want to show you a little bit of the new features, of the new presentations we have in the document side and everything. So please allow me to share my screen. Let me see. Okay, can you see my screen now? I think so.
Yes, I think would everybody see the screen okay? Just checking in.
Oh,
My brother, the translators, we got, because this meeting is so huge, the translators have sent me a little note wondering is vorbește rar, vă rog.
Vorbește rar. Okay, so actually Howard, which is a native American, just spoke with me in Romanian, and that's a complete mind-blowing stuff. Thanks, Howard, for talking Romanian, but you know, my English is not that bad.
Yeah, that's great. It's great.
Look what I found. I just found myself on the dashboard. So guys, this is the new plan. So I don't see you anymore because now I minimized the entire Zoom screen so I can show the platform. So this is actually the new front end and the new landing page of the platform. We incorporated now a lot of new features and a lot of new cool announcements regarding the masterclass, like you can see in the picture here, and all the new discounts, features, incentives, and everything. You can find them all here. Okay, so it's a slide bar in which you can see exactly which one of the new things is running, how long it takes until the incentive is done, what you can win, what's the current promotions and discounts and everything. This is actually an interesting stuff. Then actually you have a lot of cool stuff. You have the new rank here, your NFT, if you want to add a new NFT, if you won an NFT or redeemed or bought or purchased or whatever, you can add your NFT as a logo. A lot of new statistics and new cool statistics in the structure. On top of actually, and speaking of statistics and talking about the structure, we have a lot of statistics and statements regarding all the orders you had, all the commissions you gathered in your account, and everything. So this feature was missing in the past. We were working on the history of trades, orders, commissions gained, and everything. So this is actually a very cool new stuff. Regarding the structure, a very important stuff is the team. And actually in the team, the beauty is that you can now place somebody on a preferential position. Okay, so in the structure, sorry, not my computer, not working as expected, sorry for that. In the tree view, so you can actually preferentially add somebody in the team. So it's not anymore a normal sponsoring structure in which everybody goes in a binary to the left or to the right. Now you can choose a custom position and build your team as you consider. Of course, you can choose a custom position by clicking the position itself and generating a link to sign up somebody under a specific position, which is actually, in our opinion, something amazing. And actually something we learned from you guys, from the community, that this is needed. We understood from you this is needed as a feature. This is needed to better build the teams. So we've been working in the background to build all this stuff. So now you can customly choose a position and add somebody on that particular point in the tree, on that particular point in the binary team. So this is one of the beauties. Of course, you have a lot of new features within the wallet to build a value card. So you can now actually generate a value card on the amount you have in your wallet. So until now, you all know you had the USDT balance over here, just able to withdraw it. Now you can generate value cards. You can use it to purchase new products. You can trade it. You can give it as a gift to somebody else and so on. So you can create value cards and then use them later. That is also a beauty, and that is actually a novelty of the platform. Of course, the activity report, in which we have, this is also a new feature in which we can choose to get and to see activity report for the past week, month, and year regarding the earnings, the direct members, how much I purchased, how much I have the sales left and right, statistics of sales per month, per weeks, and so on. So actually, it's an amazing tool to better actually evaluate your work, to better assess your performance, and to be motivated and to motivate yourself actually for growing better, for growing the team, for growing the sales, and of course, in the end of the day, growing the revenue. So a new cool stuff is actually the projects index, in which we index every of our projects, current running projects, previous projects, and of course, future projects. And as far as I'm pretty sure everybody knows, we're now preparing a few new projects. One of them is we already announced a few months ago, is the Decentralized Studio featuring Jean-Claude Van Damme, a very dear friend and cooperator and business partner of ours. That project is about to start in the next few months. And on top of that, Crypto Data, our team is working in the background to build a new product, a new project, actually interoperable with our previous projects, interoperable with our future projects, of course, linked and minted and built over the Xiden network. And that product actually is a combination of performance bond and insurance for the crypto assets, whether we're talking about cryptocurrencies or projects regarding cryptocurrencies or exchanges or wallets held on different exchanges such as Binance and Kraken and Coinbase and everything. This product and this project is an amazing stuff, an amazing tool of interconnecting the real world, the offline world of corporate and insurance companies and performance bonds and banks to the crypto and NFTs, so the volatile world. And it will be an amazing project, globally addressable to all the cryptocurrency traders, holders, exchanges, service providers, and everything. And of course, we'll have products linked to the major and together with major reputable exchanges such as Binance and Kraken and Coinbase and everything. We will announce the project shortly in a brief description. And probably by the next month, we'll have a lot of, I don't know how to give you a teaser, but not to spoil the surprise because there's a lot of novelty in this project that we're about to launch. And of course, nothing from the previous project will end. This is the thing I keep telling you guys. The more we develop, actually, we develop the entire ecosystem of Xiden. Everything interconnects with Xiden. Everything is minted and built on Xiden. Everything generates demand on Xiden. Okay, so Xiden is the core technology between all these projects. So please do not misunderstand and please do not misinterpret. The more projects we build, the more demand we build around Xiden. Okay, so we know and we understand we need to grow Xiden big. We need to grow Xiden and generate demand, generate usability, generate and interconnect projects with serious corporates, serious companies, and serious reputation. Okay, so every new project that we build in the ecosystem of Xiden actually builds up Xiden bigger and bigger. Of course, a pessimist would say, yes, they are building a new project and forget the other. No, it's not like that. We continue developing on all the projects we build. We continue developing on the current projects and we'll continue building new projects. But the beauty and the amazing stuff is Xiden is actually interconnecting all our projects. Why I say the beauty? Because in the end of the day, the only product Crypto Data sells, okay? So as you spotted, Xiden it will never be an ICO, okay? So Xiden is a project built by Crypto Data, a technical project to interconnect all our technology, but the only product we sell is our technology, our devices, okay? Who is the sales people? Who is the marketing and the decentralized sales network? You guys, the Zixxar team. So the Zixxar team is actually selling the devices that validate and mint Xiden. So imagine the more projects Xiden integrates, the more demand it is in the market. The more demand and reputation we have for Xiden, the more successful you guys are in selling the minter devices, okay? All the current minter devices and the future minter devices, okay? Because as you know, we're building new minter devices and we'll probably launch by the next few months a new device to validate the Xiden network. So yeah, this is a beauty and this is actually the leverage you have to use, guys. Where Xiden is usable. How do we use Xiden? Who generates the demand? And the answer is simple. Every single technology, every single project we build generates demand in Xiden. And the more demand, in theory, of course, and in practice as well, the more you have demand and offer, the value goes higher, okay? Definitely, we will never generate more offer than demand because the only generators of offer in Xiden is actually the validators, the miners. So all the time, the demand will be higher. Another beauty stuff, and I will get to that point shortly, is actually we rearrange a little bit the passive income. So as you probably know, the passive income that comes from the matching bonus by now was calculated in a way that actually brought passive income to a certain point, to a certain level. So everybody asked us about considering an option about compressing the structure, so compression for the 7 levels to actually not to count anymore as a level, an account that's not active and so on. So we heard you and we considered it is a very good point, and it is a very good approach to reconsider actually how the binary, only the binary, okay, only the matching bonus is allocated. And now it's paying a lot more. The new way of allocating the binary, the matching bonus, is paying a lot more because now we don't consider the inactive accounts, and we consider actually the payout of the passive income goes from the total sales of the user, from the total incomes of the user, not only from the direct sales commission, okay? By now, the matching bonus was calculated on the sales, on the direct sales. Now we reorganize the entire structure, and it definitely pays out a lot more as a passive income together actually with the direct sales commissions and so on. So on top of rearranging the front end and on top of building new features on the Zixxar platform, actually we worked out a little bit also on the commissioning structure. And now we are 100% sure you'll be amazed and you'll be happy with the new way of calculating and paying a lot more in terms of passive income. What else? The beauty. Until the point I go to the presentations. Another beautiful stuff, another beautiful achievement is actually, no, let's put it like this. As I like all the time to start, we found another problem within our community. We identified the problem in terms of logistics, okay? We live in 2022. Today, the economical context makes a little bit harder the logistics in some sides of the world, makes impossible some deliveries in the meantime in some other parts of the world. And on top of that, some countries, unfortunately, charge super high custom fees and taxes when importing some of our products. And here, I mean, we heard our Turkish community, we heard our Indian community, our Russian community. We heard everybody that from a point of view, the delivering is not possible in some sides of the world, or if it is possible, the costs are very, very, very high. So that's why actually a super amazing novelty is now actually we generated the NFTs. The NFTs are not a simple figure, not a simple image. Okay, you have an image and that's like a surprise in chewing gum. No, the NFTs are actually a digital, graphical, and IT representation of a physical device. Okay, so we kept thinking, okay, how can we help our community? Most of our community, they want to buy the devices solely for the validation purposes, okay, for mining purposes. So we kept thinking, okay, how can we overcome this issue of the high, of the expensive deliveries, of the expensive taxes while importing the goods, or the incapacity of delivering in some sides of the world. So actually we built the NFTs as a graphical representation for a physical device we have in stock. Attention, please. We have in stock. So every time you buy actually an NFT holding a miner, actually the NFT is the proof, okay, is the technical proof you are the rightful holder of a physical miner in our headquarters, okay? We have near our headquarters, our research and development facility, where we host the devices. We plug in the devices to electricity and internet, and actually you can benefit of the validation capacity of the device being hosted in our country. Okay, being hosted in Romania without paying for delivery fees, without paying for custom fees and VAT fees when you import the device. But please pay attention. It is not a virtual stuff. You do not buy a virtual miner, okay? Once you bought the NFT, that gives you a right for a physical, tangible product that is held in our custody, in our warehouse, working for you, generating computing power, validation power for you. Whenever in this point in time, you want your device, okay? You don't want to have it physically stored in our possession. You want to have it delivered to your address, to a given address. We will deliver it to you. You can either come to Romania and pick it up yourself, and we'll later deliver to your address. Probably, maybe next year you consider you'll move to EU. So if you're actually living now in India, I give you an example. In India, the import fees are very high. If you consider in January you'll move to Germany, it's as simple as you can buy it now, get use of it. So use the device, use the validation power. And in January, you ask us to deliver to a certain address in Germany where you just moved in, and we'll do so. So that is our legal obligation to deliver once you have a miner representing a physical device. Okay, the NFT is just a technical blockchain-based representation of a physical device like this one. Okay, you purchase the Guardian. The Guardian is somewhere in a shelf in crypto data, and whenever you want in time, we will deliver it to you in a physical box. And of course, at that time, if there is taxes to pay in that country, you have to pay the taxes. If we deliver to Germany, probably there's no tax because it's EU. So please imagine this feature is super cool for our community, for your downlines. This is an amazing feature everybody has been expecting, everybody wanted, and now we implemented. And of course, please make sure you explain it in good faith to your downlines so people do not misunderstand it. Okay, we do not sell virtual imaginary mining validation machines. No, we sell the physical machine, just it is held and run for you in our custody until you claim it physically to be delivered somewhere. Okay, so it's a big difference between a virtual machine and a physical existing machine held by us. So actually, this is also the NFTs are an amazing novelty. Of course, you can buy, you can purchase also. There is also some of the NFTs with a shared computing power. Okay, you can buy cycles power. So you can only buy cycles power for mining. For validation, you can buy as low as 1 cycle of computing power. And of course, that is a shared computing power from one of our devices that are actually plugged by us. We give you the entire computing power for as long as you want, but that is not physically linked to a physical device. So if you buy an $8, for example, one cycle, as far as I remember now, it's about $8 minus the discount. Okay, today we have plenty of discounts. But if you buy 1 cycle power, that is not indeed correlated with a physical device. So you can have the computing power for as long as you want. It physically exists in our data center, but of course we cannot deliver you 1% or 2% of a miner. So that is not actually linked to a physical device that will be later delivered. But all the devices such as NFT Minter Guardian, NFT Bev, NFT Hider, in the future NFT Minters, all of them are physically redeemable. So enough here about the subject. Let me get into a little bit the new documents section. I'm so sorry for the translators if I speak very fast. I try to be to speak as rare as possible. So guys, please correct me if you need me to speak in a slower speed. Please let me know in chat, the translators. Okay, so let's go to the document side. No, first, before the documents, because in the documents it will be long and cool and we need to spend some time. Another amazing feature is promotion. So all the promotions will be listed here in real time. You have also the notifications. Shortly, it will be online, the new notifications in which you are notified about all the stuff. The prizes, okay? You can now claim every time you achieve a rank, every time you have a prize pending, every time you achieve a bonus of some kind, you can claim it here. You are notified, you achieve the rank, you can claim it, you can give us the address to claim the prize and so on. So now it is crystal clear. You have the real statistics in real time, how much you need more to generate until you reach a next target, a new rank, a new prize, a new bonus. And on top of that, you can redeem your prizes over here. Let's speak about the chat. This is also a new feature we embedded in our platform. It is an amazing, amazing, amazing chat feature in which you can build your teams, you can build your groups, you can cooperate and communicate with your team, okay, with your downlines, everything you can do here. This is a proper chat, a proper encrypted chat. You can define your own password. Please mind the password has to be written every time because it is not stored in our servers. So you can have a private chat with your downlines, of course, if they are enrolled. So once a user signs up, he needs to check whether he's actually available on the chat, he's willing to be contacted on the chat by his upline or not. Mind that so it is only private for your team. You cannot cross recruit using the chat. You cannot contact somebody else from a parallel team. So it is built as a tool for you to guide your community and your team. It has a lot of features, like a proper thing, like a proper email, in the same time a proper chat. It incorporates the entire technology behind Whisper, so it is secure, safe, and it has all the features you might expect today to have with channels, discussions. You can build channel to stream news, so nobody can reply back, only you as a holder of the channel can stream news, send direct messages to a user, contact him, and so on. So actually the chat, and I let you discover the features and the new things about the chat, and I bet you will love it. And again, this is something we've been asked by the team, we've been asked by the community to incorporate a way of communicating with our teams, with our downlines, a way of proper explaining our enthusiasm and proper explaining and coordinating our teams. So yes, we listened to you and we built this, this chat. Let's see. So this is the beta Zixxar platform. Okay, so let's not make a confusion. Oh, this is the beta platform, the old Zixxar that is still accessible at zixxar.net. Of course, it is the same interconnected platform, the same database, the same structure, so nothing changed. The old front-end interface, the old landing page of the Zixxar will no longer function from 1st of September. So 1st of September, you will not have to choose between the old Zixxar and the new Zixxar. You can only use the new Zixxar. Of course, the entire structure is kept, the entire business is kept and everything. So nothing changed from the business or the teams, just we'll discontinue the old front-end interface of the Zixxar, because the new one, of course, gets to maturity, it's enough, it's a lot better than the old one, and it has a lot more features. So if we go to the document side, we have all the documents you might need. We'll keep adding documents as we used you in various languages. But some of the documents, actually, I want to introduce you, and I want to briefly pass over, because altogether are about 300 pages. So of course, we don't get to start reading now, but let's pass a little bit through these documents. First of all, what is Zixxar? Zixxar is a decentralized sales platform, as we said before. So now we have a new beautiful presentation of what Zixxar is. I'm not looking to spend too much time with explaining you what Zixxar is, because you're with us for a long time already. You know what Zixxar is, you know who we are. But this presentation is actually, and I would love and I would be grateful if you guys get to read the presentation, understand how we build these presentations, so you can better explain it to your downlines, better introduce to your downlines who we are, what we do, why we do this kind of projects, how we interconnect the project, how the people can generate the passive income, either from the validations or from the mining activities, or from actually the decentralized marketing as affiliates, as independent marketing affiliates. So either or, this is two actually amazing ways of generating passive income. Validation, so the rewards in mining, and on top of that, the earned commissions for referring our platform, okay, for bringing the customers. Because in the end of the day, affiliates means, okay, a decentralized marketing community that actually generates users to the platform and is rewarded for this decentralized work, this decentralized marketing work. So actually, this is a new, very cool, very easy to understand presentation of what Zixxar is, okay? The main key elements. We have the physical products, sustainable development, fully compliant company, banking compliant, legal compliant, trust and transparency, because we operate a legal entity, a legal company within the European Union community. So we are not a offshore company selling air or bottled air or stories, okay? We're a physical product and technology-oriented company. Zixxar, Crypto Data is the provider and supplier and the developer of technology. We are sustainable, we're registered, fully compliant, transparent, and working within a legal frame of the European Union. So all the presentation actually is built around the certain features, the certain cool things about what Zixxar is, what crypto data is, and how you can easily, in a 10, 15 minutes, explain and show your audience, show your affiliates, show your community who we are, what we do, why they would buy, why they should buy, why they should use Zixxar, and everything. So actually, the presentation, in my opinion, is as simple as it can be. Of course, there's a lot of information. Guys, it's actually your strategy of which of this information you choose to underline and to better present and better debate with your community. But actually, the presentation is amazing for somebody who is new within Zixxar, who doesn't understand too much about what Zixxar is as a company, as a platform, as a project, okay? So this presentation is oriented for the non-professionals, for the customers, and for the professionals. What is the advantages? What is the benefits? How you can generate passive incomes? What is the strength? What is the benefits? What is the key features for selling and for generating incomes? Of course, another novelty within our ecosystem, sorry to have missed it before, is actually the withdrawals of our commissions over bank wire transfer. So yes, starting with the new Zixxar version, you can get to choose whether you want to withdraw your income from Zixxar, of course, whether you want to withdraw it over cryptocurrency like until now, so USDT, or you want a wire bank transfer, fully legal, sent towards your bank. Of course, once the money is in your account, you have to comply with your rules, regulations, and taxes in your country. That is a different story. But as you know, we work legal, and if you want, we can deliver the full amount into your bank account, as you know by now, every week. New cool stuff is actually, we have some new ranks, but I will get to that point shortly. Each rank comes with its advantages, but now we also have some sort of a bonus for certain ranks. We introduced a passive income like a salary monthly, okay? A monthly income with some of the new ranks. And the new ranks is advisor and partner. And we'll get to debate advisor and partner in the next presentation. I will come back to the subject shortly, but you have to count. Actually, this is a new incentive. This is a new, it's a forever, a permanent incentive, okay, for our community. The monthly salary, okay, the monthly income. Ranks and bonuses, you know them. I'm not looking to spend too much of a time here. The direct bonus, the binary, and the matching bonus, as you're used to. Just as I previously mentioned, the binary bonus now is a little bit adjusted, and it actually better rewards the affiliates. The achievements actually is actually a new cool stuff, a new unique stuff we implemented. The achievements over NFT, so it's transferable, it's usable, you can use it as mining, you can trade it, you can sell it, it generates discount, it generates tickets for various of our events and various of our incentives. So these NFTs are not just puppets, like you buy a chewing gum and you get a picture of a car, and that's it. You just have a poster, a printed poster of a car. No, each one actually is a technical, graphical representation of a feature, of a discount, of a product in our environment. So the NFT is just let's say the technical representation in a nice way. It could have been a string of characters like a wallet, or it is an NFT that symbolizes something. A reward, a product, a ticket, an invitation, or something else. Cashback, boosters, movies, and so. So exactly as I said earlier, with real advantages, it's not only about a tradable nothing, because yes, we all know most of the NFT projects in the market are just a highly valued nothing. Okay, you buy a monkey or a raccoon with nice sunglasses and smoking a cigarette. But what this NFT does, Just because it is tradable and speculative in terms of price doesn't mean that NFT really uses for something, okay? I can buy a picture of a rose NFT, I pay a lot of money for it, what do I do with it? The beauty with our NFT, they represent something real, whether a discount, whether a physical product, whether a physical advantage, or a physical ticket, a NFT VIP pass that the money cannot buy, okay? So there is people who won or bought or purchased the NFT symbolizing a 100% VIP pass for the entire MotoGP weekend in Austria. So just as an idea, the highest ticket you can buy costs a few $1,000s, okay? To get to the VIP pass, it's not buyable. You cannot buy a VIP pass to go to see the team, meet the driver, the riders, see the team from a premium restaurant only with premium people, because that is not an area for the general admission. So it is a VIP experience for our partners. And of course, the NFT is actually the technical representation. So we could have sent you an invitation over a PDF, or we have the nice kind NFT that really does something, that represents something. Not going to spend too much of a time because I'm pretty sure you all know these things. The types of NFTs, of course, each NFT has a category from common, rare, epic, legendary, and unique. So this is actually, and each one comes with certain features, as I said earlier, discounts, slots, VIP access, discount, customer priority, advisory, management, marketing, tickets, parties, and everything. So it is a real deal over something tangible, over a real feature that we're giving to you. The medals, management system, what you can do now in terms of managing your team, create and customize your team. You can add custom positions in your team. So not anymore to the extreme sides of the binary tree, but now you can get, for example, I have under me somewhere my sister. I signed up my sister a few months ago, and I want to build a leg for my sister. So it is enough to click my sister, generate a link, and I will sign up people under my sister so I can help her generate some commissions and some of the incentives. I can create and customize the team. I can communicate encrypted, 100% encrypted over the VOBP with my team, wallet and inventory. I can generate actually the vouchers, okay, the discount coupons or the vouchers, the value vouchers to pay for some other products or transfer it. I have full status and transaction details and statistics of my Zixxar activity, security and privacy we used to, the calendar and plans, and so on. You can customize your team, activity report. So I will pass through, but of course I would love, guys, if you will take some time to better understand, because it's a lot of new cool features. And imagine when you present Zixxar, you need to think about, okay, what is the general public skill? Okay, do I present it to IT guys, or I present it to engineers, or to some artists? Considering the audience, you can get to choose how you present and how you make your presentation to be very comprehensive for your teams. We have everything perfectly written, perfectly clear, and we keep up to everything. So I will go pass over. Again, another amazing feature, the shop payment system. Okay, so how do people pay for the products and goods and things they purchase over Zixxar? You all know from the previous times, by credit card, you can do it. By bank transfer, you can do it, and you could have done it. By cryptocurrency, until now, until a few months ago, you were used to pay USDT, Bitcoin, Ether, and probably Litecoin. Okay. Lately, we added the Xiden and the Edain. So you can fully pay for your new products, for your new, whatever you purchase from Xiden, 100% you can pay in Xiden, and we'll deliver. We deliver, and we accept 100% our Xiden because we trust our project and we trust the value of Xiden. On top of that, please note, on top of that, there is a 10% discount for every purchase you fully pay with Xiden. So you can go to the platform and pay with Xiden, and you get 10% from the package price discount, okay? That much we love and we trust our Xiden. more than Bitcoin and Ethereum and USDT. Exciting any day, you can use it. The novelty also is you can pay with in-platform credits, so from the existing commissions in the platform. Until now, you could have only withdrawn the money, okay, so take the commissions at home. You can now pay with the platform commissions. So if I have $1,000 in the platform and I want to buy a package worth $450, okay, I will pay $450 out of my 1,000. And the value card as well. The value card can be created and loaded and given away, gifted away to your friends. Okay, they are value cards. The account settings, a lot of cool features and settings, the Hall of Fame. Another important thing, and we kept listening to you guys. Every time. So over the past half a year or more than half a year, 1 year, I got to learn something amazing. And that amazing stuff is I understood I can learn a lot from you guys because you are more skilled than we are in sales. You are more skilled than we are in networking. So I had to listen from you the ideas and the opinions and the suggestions. So together with the team, together with a huge, amazing team, it's not me, it's a huge crypto data team, we started to develop all the features we considered you suggested. We got your suggestions. We understood what and why people ask some certain things, and we got to put them in practice. So this is how also the Hall of Fame got built. The Hall of Fame is actually the recognition of our top performing team, bestseller, investor, best team, top earner, top of the month, top of the week. Everything is now as a Hall of Fame recognition, of course, having some certain prizes, having some certain prize features and so on. So yep, please get to understand it because now in terms of awards and recognition, we have an amazing stuff. The voting system, okay, we can vote for advisors, for everything. It is amazing stuff. You will see it shortly after we launch it. Calendar notifications, trainings. A novelty also in a new platform is actually the recorded trainings. So we'll get together with our amazing Mr. Howard Dell, we'll get to have also pre-recorded trainings for you guys. Sessions of explaining certain features, certain specs, certain things in our project. Short videos and short materials for training. If I want a training about the NFT representing certain mining devices, I can have it. If I want a training material about the rewards and the commission structure, I can have it. So everything will be available in the training section. So over the next weeks and months, we'll keep adding and generating more training materials on subject for different topics and different directions and different features of our platform. Enough for this presentation. Maybe Howard, I missed something. I need my voice for 2 minutes to relax because otherwise I will lose it.
Well, no, I mean, yeah, I don't think you haven't missed anything. I'm just sitting here writing down all these amazing key new features. You know, I'm just like I'm running out of paper. You know, from the new chat features, the tangible NFT, the new Zixxar platform, you know, all these new multiple benefits, the improved compensation plan, the new product payment options, the value cards, you know, and even in the document section, this whole, you know, there's new presentations. What is Zixxar? I mean, I think that's just amazingly going to help leaders and help individual members explain, as you said before, you know, what is Zixxar? And then, of course, like you say, the trainings. I mean, those, I think fundamentally, those will be very, very helpful in terms of, you know, adding week by week things that people really want to know. And I'm sure hopefully we get those in different languages. But I think that's just, you know, I mean, I'm running out of pen and paper here, writing down all these new facets of what's happening. And it's exciting. I'm really excited about it. And for those people who have questions, and we're definitely going to have that opportunity for them to ask, just know that somewhere, I believe, you can raise your hand by clicking a button somewhere. we can see it. Sarah and I can see it. So people who, if they have questions, and we get back to all the profile pictures, you raise your hand, and we'll take some questions at a particular point in time when Ovidiu is done, saying what he has to say. So right now, we'll just take it right back to you, Ovidiu, and you can roll on, and I'll just keep making notes. And everybody else, I hope everybody else is making notes and getting as excited as I am, because it's awesome.
Okay, guys, sorry. Thanks, Howard, for backing me up for a few minutes. I needed to take a sip of water, so I just got myself a bottle of water. Let's get to a new. So in the documents, we have here the Zerat collection, and I need to better explain you what Zerat NFTs do and what they represent. So by definition, the Zerat can be unique, legendary, epic, rare, and common. Okay, so this is a type of the Zerat is actually the mining NFTs, and of course, not the NFT is miner. The NFT is not mining. Okay, so please make sure you understand the terminology and you don't make a confusion, because some people might understand very well technology and they can slap you. Guys, NFTs don't mine. Okay, the NFT is not a miner. The NFT is just a static, very kind Zerat figurine, okay, minted over blockchain. But the Zerat issued by us actually represents computing power for validation, for mining, as I previously said. So not the NFT is mining. Please make sure you understand. The NFT is the graphical representation, blockchain-based graphical representation of a physical miner installed somewhere in our data center, in our facility, okay? So this is a very important thing. The benefits, of course, as I previously mentioned, is the very beginning. The most important benefit is actually no maintenance, because you don't need to maintain the physical device. We do it for you. We know how to do it, and we have the know-how. No physical delivery, so that means no logistics fees, no shipping fees, no customs fees or VAT fees, okay? And the other advantage is actually it is redeemable, so you can pick up your product. You can have the product delivered, the minter, the buzz, the hider, the impulse. You can you can have them delivered to your door whenever you want. Okay, so that is the beauty. But I wanted to underline Zerat NFT is not mining. Okay, the Zerat NFT is the right. Okay, is the legal right. You have the right on a miner that mines, okay, on a validation device, okay? So please, please note the difference. It's very important. So you can get your acquire the NFT, configure it. You have all the tools and all the ways of how to configure it. Is exactly like you configure a regular miner, adding a pool, creating a pool, adding devices in the pool, adding computing power in the pool, and generating actually rewards, both validating or mining private or publicly, okay? So it is like a physical device. There is no difference between a physical device you hold in your house and a device we hold in our data center and we manage for you. We can pair, add a new miner, and everything is like you're used to. Of course, you can remove your miner, just like a normal miner, because the NFT is actually a graphical representation of a physical miner. So you can do all the features of a regular miner. Delete it, add it, whatever, blah, 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 blah. What else? Very important, guys. I don't know how many of you are new, how many of you actually kept up to date with Xiden. So since we launched Xiden, we have a lot of good materials, very, very good materials compiled and built by our colleagues in the marketing, content, IT, and graphical department of how to generate a pool, how to sign up a device in a pool, how to generate the 24 mnemonic keywords and everything, okay? So how to is available on CryptoData and on Xiden.com. How to virtually anything, okay? If you have a question of how to install a device, how to add a miner, how to configure a pool, how to withdraw the rewards and everything is built, is compiled into a very, very, very cool actually material we already have. If you don't know where you can find these materials, please ask actually our team, if you're in contact with somebody from our team or over support, and everybody will be happy and kind to point you to a certain material that shows you how to do something. But generally speaking, please count on the fact that we built and we compiled so many good materials with graphical and technical and in-words description of how to do something you might be interested or you might need to do over our system and platform. So this is about the Zero collection and what you can do with it. Again, I want to underline, of course, you'll get the time to understand the presentation once you download it. But very important is to make a difference and to understand the NFT cannot do mining. Not the NFT does mining. The device does, and the NFT is actually the certificate that you have that miner with us. Okay, and that miner is working for you. Please don't make confusion, because this might be a confusion that will be the difference between engaging a successful sale or not. Okay, if you come to me, I'm a technician, and if you guys come to me and you tell me, Ovidiu, do you want to buy a mining NFT? I will slap you and send you home, and I will tell you, guys, NFTs do not mine. What you're trying to tell me is a bullshit. It doesn't exist. Okay, if you come and tell me, Ovidiu, do you want to buy a mining device that has triple usage? You can use it as a multimedia device, as a security device, and it does validation and pays you rewards inside them. Okay, and I will ask you, okay, I want to buy the device. And then the question is, do you want it physical, delivered, or you want to have it hosted within CryptoData headquarters? If you want to have it hosted within CryptoData, you will get a certificate of ownership, and that is under a shape of a NFT. Okay, so this is the difference between the NFT that actually represents a miner and a mistake in explaining somebody the NFT mines. Okay, the NFT doesn't do mining. Never, it will never do. Okay, even though the Zerat figurine is a very kind, big ears guy, they do not mine. Achievements. Sorry for that. Okay, so now, as I said before, we work a lot and we value a lot recognition and achievements. And everybody knows the gaming side, the gamification, it's a cool stuff for rewards, for awards, for engaging actually and bringing smile, bringing enthusiasm, bringing success within your team. Okay, so recognition and achievements are very important. Okay, you can get the achievements over an NFT that does something. Okay, as I said it before, the NFTs can do something, either represent a physical device or represent as a discount, or represent a promotion, represent a ticket or something. Okay, every NFT does something and represents something, and they can be actually an achievement for the performing team. The team performing well can get achievements such as the Apex Warrior, Centurion robot, MotoGP robot, or some other cool stuff we will add later. Again, this is just the beauty, and this is the smiling side of a physical stuff, of a physical thing. So you're not buying actually a monkey or a nice, very kind private key. Okay, you're actually getting a miner under a shape of a private key toy. Types of NFTs, and I'm not gonna spend too much time because I already mentioned it: the common, the rare, the epic, legendary, and unique. What do they do? What kind of elements they bring? What kind of what kind of features they bring? Okay, they can bring discounts, boosters, master node slots, VIP access, discount, customer support priority, advisors income, partner income, marketing, party tickets, early investor, value card. So every single NFT comes with a certain or more certain features such as these ones. Okay, so none of them is just a surprise from a chewing gum. I'm not going to spend too much time here because I don't want to be boring, and I'm pretty sure you can all read and understand these things. Let me medals, these things. I'm not going to spend too much time here. You have this presentation in your back office in the document section. Let's go a little bit to the compensation plan because this is also very important. Decentralized sales platform, okay? Program. As you previously know, we have a glossary or a dictionary of terms, terminology, what each term means. It's as simple as before. What you can do, add the members automatic, okay? As you know before, left link or right link. So you can choose automatically to place somebody in a position, okay? Or you can invite members on a certain given position. For example, in this picture, okay, up to now we're used, if I'm this guy, okay, millionaire, it's an example. Okay, and if I invite somebody on my left link, I will place him automatically here to the most extreme left side. Now I can custom click on plus, on this plus under this level and add somebody here. Okay, so I can position by hand, okay, a certain position. I can put somebody on a certain given position in my entire hierarchy tree just by clicking this plus and generating the invitation link. Commissions up to 40%. So this is the total commissions Zixxar platform can pay. Defined, 100% defined commissions for up to 40% in sales from the total revenue generated by sales will go under a way or another as a sale commission to our structure. Okay, so we consider our decentralized marketing platform can pay up to 40% as marketing commissions. Up to 15% order cashback. The prizes, okay, the rank price is up to yacht. You know it from the compensation plan. Not going to spend too much time there. The direct bonus, you understand it, you all know it. It's a 10% out of a direct sale you generate. Not going to spend too much time here. Commission strategy, the binary bonus, okay? The binary bonus is a 7% calculated based on the length of the leg. You know it. You know it, and I'm not going to spend too much time here because you all know it. The beauty is actually in the matching bonus, okay? In the matching bonus, considering your rank, considering your status, you can get up to 7 levels deep, okay? Up to 7 levels deep. But pay attention, levels in terms of sponsorship, not the binary structure, okay? 7 levels as a tree, not as a binary, okay? Up to 7 levels. And you can generate commissions from the performance of your teams. So there is no weekly, monthly subscription. There is no conditions, no nothing, okay? We don't do kind of pyramids or investment stuff or nothing. We simply build and motivate and incentivize our amazing sales team within this compensation plan, which is clear, transparent, and having physical products delivered to your door or to your affiliate's door. The beauty is actually, as I said it before, the matching bonus now is far more comprehensive and pays out a lot more to actually the account holder, because the matching bonus calculates the active account and calculates actually the total generated incomes of an account underneath you. Not only the direct sales of your business partners, but actually the total generated incomes. This is the matching bonus, the review. The bonus cap, you know it, it's been there before. It's been extended and overworked a little bit, but generally speaking, is the same. There is a beauty. Actually, we have a few new statuses, okay? We have the advisor status, okay, the advisor rank. We have the partner rank, okay? This is the 2 new ranks we have in our structure now compared to the previous structure, and I consider it's amazing. We also, as I previously said, we pay out this monthly fixed salary to our advisor and to our partner statuses. So you can get to have a fair, decent passive income as a flat rate amount monthly. So that is the beauty also. Ranks eligibility, as you know it, actually, we have a lot of new things within the the volume calculation and the eligibility for different ranks, considering the purchases. Please make sure you get to read it and understand how it works. It's not complicated, but you have all the types here on all the ranks and the steps and the targets. So you have to please pay attention a little bit and understand it, how it works. Don't forget the Go Professional. That is still the same like in the past. So once you hand your link to a customer, to a business partner, to an affiliate, to a downline, that account, when he signs up, he is not a professional account. He is just a customer account, okay? Once that account wants to bring referrals on his own, wants to generate referral link, he needs to go professional. So the structure stays like in the past, the same. The newly signed up accounts, they are customer accounts. And once this account is actually taken to professional, only at that point, it generates all the features of the affiliates system. Requirements for the ranks, as you can observe here, we added the advisor and we added the partner ranks. So of course the targets within each one of them slightly changed, but they are more or less the same like in the past. Please take your time and understand them. Please be motivated to grow to the next rank, because each rank brings incomes, brings rewards, brings features, brings a lot of cool stuff. So make sure you understand how much you have left up to until you achieve a new rank. Because for example, now I'm a Sapphire, okay? And I need to understand what do I need to do, because I might be this close to achieving the Ruby rank. But unless I understand what I'm missing, I will never achieve the Ruby. You might miss, I don't know, $10 sales on a left leg, or $20 sales on the right leg. Or you might have the entire sales target achieved, but you don't have, I don't know what kind of a rank under you. So please make sure you understand, because it's very easy to achieve a new rank if you understand what you need in terms of sales targets to achieve a rank. The turnover more or less is the same like in the past, nothing changed, but it is very well and very cool calculated. Commissions example, you know it. What do you call levels? How you count levels? How you get commissions? How do you generate the sales? How do you generate the prices and everything? And now it comes to explaining each rank individually. As you probably know, the previous presentations, each rank has some certain features. It comes with certain bonuses, and each one of them is explained within this presentation. You can download it. So let's take, for example, the advisor rank, Ruby, Emerald, advisor, okay? The advisor rank, for example, it comes with $500 monthly Epic NFT. So actually the Epic NFT, if you hold it, if you own it, that gives you the right to get $500 bonus monthly for the entire rest of your life, okay, within our platform. So not the NFT is paying you, actually the company is paying you if you hold this NFT. And of course you can get this NFT once you achieve the status. Direct 10% bonus, binary bonus 7%. This is the general stuff you all know and you all understand. I'm not gonna pass through. I just wanted to show you the Epic NFT that gives you a reward of 500 and later 1,000. Okay, so you have also the NFT that brings you 1,000 monthly. So starting that status, please pay attention. Once you achieve, okay, so once you achieve the status, advisor status, you start to get the 500. Of course, if you grow in status, you do not cancel the previous status. Okay, that is the beauty. So now the status pays you. Once you achieve the status, you receive an award, okay, the Epic NFT. The Epic NFT is in your account, and that Epic NFT will bring you an income of $500 monthly, no matter what your next status is, until you get to the new status that brings you $1,000. Okay, so if you're a Crown Diamond, you still have the Epic NFT that pays you $500 a month. But once you reach, for example, partner, okay, you get the 1,500 monthly unique NFT. okay, and so on. So this is the beauty in the new statuses. Please take your time to better understand it, to read it a little bit. I think my voice will fail if I don't make a short break. So I would love up to now to get the questions from our amazing team who raised the hand. And Howard, are you an administrator on the group?
Yes, we're sitting here right now, Sarah.
Yeah, so I would love you to pick from the gentleman who raised the hand. And
okay. We're going with Chris on this one. Okay, ask to. Oh, you there? Okay, can we hear you there, Chris?
Okay, Howard, how are you? So great to see you today.
All right, man. Excited. Nothing to but to do it.
And a video, nice to see you also. Great that you took the time to spend with us today. And the information just goes from amazing to incredible.
Can you see my smile?
We all thank you for that. So I have just a couple of questions and real quick ones. First, I was really glad to see that the new back office is going to be live, and features, as we've seen, have been added, and it's been a great thing. But it's just an amazing back office. And being able to communicate with the downlines is a feature that we've been really excited about getting, and glad to see it's here. When do you think we'll actually be able to do video conferencing with them, similar to Zoom? Is that something you expect to be available soon?
Chris, definitely we can expect that soon. But for the moment, to be honest with you, we're working to further develop the new projects around around Sidon, to integrate Sidon in all the products. And definitely by the winter time, so by November, December, we will be working on this feature of video conference. For the moment, we're not focusing that much on it, because there is a lot of more cool stuff and a lot of more features we need to develop, and usability and usage and generate demand for the Sidon. So all our attention is focused on the Sidon product, Sidon products, new physical hardware, the new products we're about to develop now, the new project we're developing with Mr. Van Dam, and the other new project I briefly explained earlier. Elaine actually is about to launch a new app, the Q Search, in September. So actually, we first need to deliver a lot more technology, to work more on delivering technology, and then focus on the things and the bits and pieces, I would say. Because for the moment, the chat is a cool topic. The chat is an amazing tool, but we consider for the moment it's enough to get used to it, to build your teams, and later you can do also the video calls.
Well, okay, great. We'll be looking forward to that. And you mentioned again, just as you were talking about Sidon and both the Dane, the tokens, being available to use. I think we need to promote stronger. I don't think people realize as much as that when you use those, you get a discount, and that will increase the communities on both sides. So it'll be interesting. And then with the new program of being able to have you host the devices and the routers, it almost makes me feel like I should put my router in my suitcase and take it to you and put it there, because the benefits are really amazing. Plus, you guys know the best way to maintain it and all. I mean, when do you think that that's online? Is that ready to go now?
Which one? The NFT mining?
Yeah, to be for you hosting the devices and being able to mine for us.
Yes, it is online. It is online already for a few weeks already.
Okay, great. And then just to finish up real quick, is the MotoGP is just an amazing thing. Are we expecting that you're going to be live on each one of these races in the pits, maybe?
Definitely I will be at the pits. Definitely I will be on the grid. Definitely I'll be on the VIP side. Definitely I will be awarding one of the trophies on the podium after the race. Definitely crypto data will be branded everywhere on the Red Bull ring. So listen to this one, Chris. Okay, the track is owned by Red Bull, and we are bigger sponsor and bigger partner than Red Bull on their track.
Wow.
A lot bigger.
Yeah, that's amazing. I think the only thing you missed in the video is to put a helmet on and see you.
Not really. You didn't got me here. I don't race on a bike.
Yes, safety first, baby. Safety first.
Somebody else was raising a hand, Howard.
Yeah, we have, Sarah, can we get, it says here, CVK Global. CV, with the big C, we're going to unmute them.
Yeah.
Okay, CVK, you are live.
Yeah, I'm from India. I'm downline of Ratan, Raman.
Okay.
And I need some services regarding the decks. Is there any possibility to trade in decks of Zidane? Because
Who's the racer?
Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, is there any possibility to list our Zidane in that exchanges?
Thanks for asking. Yes, we're in discussions with a few of the DEX exchanges, okay, the decentralized exchanges. For the moment yet, we didn't make up our minds in terms of where to list, because we need to actually do a proper due diligence on who's running these decentralized, so-called decentralized exchanges, because they're not so decentralized in our opinion. Okay, so they're still kind of centralized. Only some of the collecting and smart contracts transaction happen decentralized, but otherwise they are still run by some certain interface and individuals and developers. And we need to do a better due diligence to make sure our project reaches a serious, reputable exchange out of these decentralized exchanges with liquidity, trustworthiness in terms of development, and so on. So probably by the end of the year, definitely we'll be on one of the decentralized exchanges. Definitely we're in talk with a few of them, but I don't want to name them until we have a real deal.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Sarah, how about we go to, I see Peter. Peter's been up there for a while. Peter, a 4? I got.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, you're on, Peter.
Yeah. Thank you so much for this enlightenment. We are very grateful who belong to this noble community. But I have a little concern. The concern is that the product that we are buying, it takes too long to be delivered. Because I just purchased some, it took almost 1 month. I don't know why it takes that long.
Peter, may I ask you where you come from? What's your country?
No, I am in UAE here, UAE.
In the UAE?
Yeah.
Usually towards UAE, we never encountered issues in delivering. Maybe you are one of the early birds who purchased the new products. And at that time, a few months ago, we had indeed a delay. And I have to admit it, and I admit it all the time. At the very beginning, when we launched the Minter Guardians, we had a delay of 45 days in delivering because of the logistics and the supplies issues all over the world for components and micro components and so on. But as of now speaking, all the delays are gone. All the deliveries go smooth. So once you have an order, the next 2-3 days, it gets out of our headquarters. So there shouldn't be any more delays unless an account is very remote. But UAE definitely not a remote country.
I am talking about, I just made another purchase and it took me almost 1 month. I purchased one around, I think July 8th. And then I just received it by the close of, I think there's 2nd or 3rd August.
I'm so sorry for your experience. Definitely is not a practice in our company, and definitely I want to further investigate. So please, after we hang up the call, make sure you send to one of us. Definitely you should be in contact with somebody, or send us an office at CryptoData. Send us the details of your order, and I want to further investigate personally why the delivery went late, because that's not our practice. Something might have happened there. Somebody might have been late or might have done something wrong, or an address might have been wrong. Because definitely the orders, at least 95% of the orders, they go out of our headquarters every second, every third day after delivery. So please write an email to support or to office, and they will make sure they will further investigate it.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, Sarah, who's up next?
The support email chat.
Oh yeah, support email for that. Our last call. That was the support email is in the chat. And who do we have next? Rahman. Okay, you're gonna Rahman. You are
good to see you.
Hi, brother. I'm really happy that such a lovely presentation you have done, and the way you are thinking for our Indian community is really awesome, because we are very thankful that you understand our problems, and you have got a new system where without getting a physical device to India, we can directly have a NFT mining at our Romania farm. I'm very happy for that, and we have other option also that anybody without virtual product also they can have the mining NFT. That is also super, and our community is super excited for that. And really, I really appreciate it because you overthink about our decentralized sales platform, and definitely the 2 new rights which you haven't introduced. It is really awesome because the people who are very serious developing this program will be very benefited, because lifelong and giving $500 every month, or else $1,500 per partner every month. In my 25 years of network marketing career, I never seen such a company giving this kind of a benefit, and it's really we really thank you for that. So I have 3 questions. I'm sorry, from the payment side, because we have every Tuesday and Friday our payment system is this. As we have value cards as well as also auto buy in our back office. So why can't be that instant withdrawal system will be there, so that instantly we can transfer to any other customer or any of our team members, so that he can purchase that value card, or else withdrawal system should be instant rather than weekly or weekly once. So if you can do that, benefit duplication of our business will be much easier.
Rahman, your idea is noted. I've been asked before about it. So definitely on our next meeting, weekly meeting, that is tomorrow, I will raise the question and debate it with our team and let you know. Because yes, I have it in my head, and I'm aware that some other members of our community demanded the same thing. So let us think about it, and I all the time come up and follow up with the subject.
The second question is on marketing. As you know, it's very easy for us to do business with the C2C. But for B2B, for example, if you close any IT companies, actually in India we have a lot of IT sectors. So if we approach them and close a big deal for B2B, what kind of a service we can give for them? Because it is not just like an individual where he's purchasing a single product. But for a B2B, what kind of any separate service can be provided from our company? We just want to do that because we are planning to close some, because as the discount, 20% discount is very huge, and definitely it will really motivate and the platform, because our physical validators, whether it may be laptop or mobile phone, that can be an assets class for any of the B2B segment. So that really motivates them to get this product. So can we have any separate service for them?
Rahman, definitely Zixxar is built as a B2C platform. So definitely we're more oriented to B2C sector. That doesn't necessarily mean we cannot sell our products or our services to a company, to a B2C. But that means a company, okay, a corporate customer should sign up on the name of sales director or somebody, make the order the physical devices under one way or another, and let us know the corporate details so we can issue a proper corporate invoice towards that customer. But as a generic thing, Zixxar is a B2C oriented platform, and that's why we keep engaging a lot of features and cool things and cool options and cool NFTs, because in the end of the day, networking is about individuals. It's not about companies and corporates. Cryptodata indeed is a developer of B2C, and we have plenty of corporate customers, but actually the corporate business works as a corporate proper sales company, negotiating with the directly with the customer, so with the other corporate, negotiating business contracts, terms and conditions of a custom contract. So definitely that cannot be applied in Zixxar. Apart from the regular sale, if you want to buy on your company or one of your friends' company wants to buy 10 of our best computers, they can do so and they can get a proper invoice. But definitely Zixxar is not a platform where we can negotiate contracts with another company that wants to buy XYZ things. So for the moment in time, we prefer to expand and to properly manage our sales team, our network of sales over Zixxar, oriented more to for a B2C sale.
Thank you, and I appreciate for that response. And my final question is, like, we have on the back office of our Zixxar, it's really a very good platform because it's very unique, because I never saw this kind of a platform in any other affiliate marketing. And I request you, to have, because we already suggested that, instant email changing in our back office, which has to be not yet updated till now. And the second one is, like, product tracker. For example, if anybody has purchased a product, he should have his own, in the back office, track his product. Where is the product? How many days it will take to come to his home? If we can provide this product tracker, it will be much more clear for him. He will be very happy, to clarify that, what is the status of his product. So these two, if at all, if these can be implemented immediately in our back office, it will be a great help for Indian community.
Raman, definitely. The product tracking is on our priority list, and we will develop it. It's in our queue of development. So you will be able to see the AVBs, the airway bill from a DHL straight on the Zixxar platform, and to see in real time the status of your deliveries. That's not far from now. Also, to download your previous invoices, the current invoices, and so it will also be. It's not far from being available. So yeah, we count on it. We know the things, and we know the questions you just asked. We're working on them, and shortly it will be available.
Thank you so much, Oti, and we are very happy. The community is very happy. The way you have been giving the services, and I'm very happy that to be a part of Cryptodata and Zixxar. And from the bottom of my heart, I really thank you for the kind of services you are providing for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Raman.
All right, Raman, good questions, my friend. Next up, I've got Jack Welch. Jack Welch coming up with. Are you with us there, Jack?
I'm still here.
All right.
How are we doing, guys?
Good
to meet you there, Howard. Good to meet you, Ovidia. Great presentation. Two questions. The first one is, you had mentioned something about a video conferencing product. Is that something that's going to go alongside Zoom, or do you have a product that's actually going to disrupt the video conferencing industry or replace Zoom and GoToMeeting, etc.?
John, actually, as you probably know, and I'm pretty sure you're familiar with, we developed Whisper, WISPR, which is our secure communication app, which is native in our devices, in our BASM, Impulse, Hider, and so on. So Whisper actually is a VoBP interface, a voice over blockchain. So that's our technology. It's an interface for secure communication, whether we're talking about video calls, normal audio calls, file transfer, or text messaging, and so. Out of the Whisper, for the moment, we embedded the chat, so the chat version, the text message feature, we already embedded it native in the Zixxar platform. Shortly, we will also release the video feature, so video calls between the members of the Zixxar platform. For the moment, we're not looking to compete Zoom, not on a short-term future, but in the springtime, definitely we will probably launch our Tinker platform that already features something like Zoom, but a lot more than that. It is actually a online training tool. So it's like a online classroom, including features of broadcasting, of presentations, conference, presenting tools, presenting documents and materials. So actually Tinker is another platform and project developed by CryptoData, and it will probably be available standalone product, of course, secured and usable, integrated with the Xydon blockchain. But yet we didn't announce a launching date. Probably it will be January, February, somewhere there. But till then, we have the voice and the video calls in Whisper. We have the Zixxar platform for chats and communicating with the others. That will first incorporate the video calls, and later we will launch the Tinker platform.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is, I noticed this was recorded. Will this be available? I have some people that couldn't be on this call that need to hear what you just went over here in the past hour and a half or so.
Definitely, it will be available. I cannot promise you when. That's about my team from the graphics department and marketing, but definitely they will release it online. Once I get into a call, I assume the direction and the call, and of course it will be public. No worries.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Jack, great questions. Thank you for that. Next up, we have Compassion 21. All right, are you still with us there, Compassion 21? I see you and me wearing the specs today, you know. All right, got to pay attention. You're ready to go.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Vishu, part of Mr. Raman's team from India. And thank you so much for the amazing presentation today. So I have got a lot of clarity today. So even though I'm just very new, just about 2 weeks now, and the new platform is amazing. It has all the information. So thank you so much for that. And I have only one question, because Raman has addressed other questions. So most of the time when we talk to people, they always talk about service, like, especially the mobile phone, which tend to, have some damages when they're using it now. His company has any future plan of setting up a service center in India? I just would like to know, or in case if there is a damage, how this is going to be handled?
Thanks for asking. Vishu, actually, the thing is like this. In every business of building IT and electronic devices, there is a percentage of warranty claims. In our business, definitely the percentage of warranty claims is under the market average. And the market average, when I count it, I speak about Apple, Samsung, Huawei, and everybody. Average in the market is 0.4% from the sales coming back in a warranty with an issue. We have 0.2. So we're very, very, very cool within the market warranty claims. Though, of course, when you sell tens of thousands of devices, there is some warranty claims. Okay, nobody is God to build bulletproof smartphones and computers. We all the time served our customers by replacing the damaged products. So we never repair, we just replace it. In the moment we have in a country a large community, definitely we keep a buffer stock in that country. With the countries where we don't have a huge community and maybe we deliver 100 devices a year, it's a little bit complicated to build a buffer stock over there, but of course we serve the customers with replacing the device. India definitely is a growing community, and it's a huge community, and definitely before the end of the year, we'll make sure we have a small buffer stock in India to faster serve the customers with the replacement in a warranty. So definitely India is a point of interest for us. It's an amazing country, an amazing community, and we'll do so. So rest assured, whenever somebody has a warranty claim, India is one of our cool communities and will be served in meantime.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Joel, can you hear us?
Yes, thank you very much.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, and hello to everybody. I'm excited about this presentation tonight, and it's a bit loaded. And like somebody has suggested, I would also add my voice to say that we would really be glad to have the recording so that we can take time to imbibe all the detailed information presented tonight. And also for those who could not, join the meeting tonight, they'll be able to understand what has been discussed so far. Yes, a couple of things. One, about Whisper. Yeah, Whisper is a great app for calling, testing, and then sometimes video calls. But in some parts of Africa, or Africa, let me say, during the installation, you need a code to continue setting it up. Most of the people I have asked to, install the app never get the code to continue the installations so that they can use it. So I want to suggest that if there is any issue from your end or not, let us know or do something about it. That is about Whisper.
Joe, let me reply you on this one, and then please, you can have the second question. First of all, it's a very good feedback from you. Even though it has nothing to do with Zixxar, it's highly appreciated. And I kindly invite you to follow up with one of our members and let us know the countries where you don't get the SMS, because the thing works like this. We do not deliver SMS. There's a third-party service that sends the SMS, of course. We're not SMS providers. So we rely on a global operator that delivers the SMS to your smartphones. And sometimes this operator fails. And I'm really interested to better understand in which countries of the world we still have these kind of issues. And I would love to follow up after this call about the subject. So please go to the next question and make sure you let us know the countries after we hang up the call.
All right, thank you very much. The country in particular is Ghana. I'm from Ghana, but based in the United Arab Emirates. All right, and the second thing I want to say is about the technical team and support. They are doing a great job trying to solve problems through emails and so on. But I don't know if it would be possible to arrange such that we will have, a kind of video call where we can share screens for, specific cases to be sorted out, because it's not everybody who is on board, who is IT savvy, Many people are just getting on board and they are trying to find their way around. And some of the problems that comes along, demands that we have somebody who has the technical know-how to help one to get through. I understand that we have a lot of information on the platforms, for example, how to do this and that, but sometimes it is not that clear. And the information there, you can't put everything, that is true. Informations are not that detailed to provide the help that one needs. But if in specialized cases, we could have a 20-minute call video and then we share screen where you can see what exactly the problem is and then help solve it. That would be very, very, very great. And
Joel, the idea is great. Thanks for noting that. Actually, on a lower scale, our support keeps going online in Skype and Zoom calls with plenty of our customers and community seeking for support in various uncommon issues. Because of course in IT, we foreseen a lot of issues that might occur, and we give everybody in the training materials and in the presentations, we give a lot of directions and how to do kind of a lot of stuff. But definitely there is a lot of unusual particular issues that might occur. And for that, sometimes our support goes in Zoom calls and Skype with our community. Definitely I am aware of it, and definitely I support this kind of a practice, and I support our team in the support department to get into more screen sharing videos to help with our users install and pass over various difficulties. And I will make sure I will push them a little bit more to do this and to support our community over screen sharing and videos and so they can better assist you guys. I'm aware of that, and we will keep working on improving our support and our service level agreement with the support tickets and so on. So definitely that's something we're working to improve, and we will improve.
All right, thank you very much for that assurance, and we hope to see some changes in that regard. And finally, like Mr. Peter has said, the orders take quite a bit of time, and as you have assured, we are looking forward that something changes about that, because I don't know which is quicker. You know, you can order through the Crypto Data website or through your Eden platform, the products that you want. I have just done an order just about 7 days ago, but I thought that from the Crypto Data website, I'm going to have a quick service delivery because of the information I read out there. It's been a week and I don't know, I don't have still the tracking for the product that suggests that it is not being sent or it is not even ready, or I don't just know. But please, please, please work more harder on the delivery, and we would so be glad about that.
Thanks
but
for asking. Joel, thanks for asking. Actually, there is no difference between delivering if you purchase from Crypto Data or Zixxar. Though, if you purchase from Zixxar, of course, first of all, you benefit of a lot more discounts than on Crypto Data. So indeed, Zixxar is cheaper to purchase than on Crypto Data because Crypto Data is not competing Zixxar. Okay, Zixxar is our community, our sales community. Crypto Data is actually the leverage you can use to show your community that if they purchase through Zixxar, they have better discounts and better prices. So definitely Crypto Data is not cheaper than Zixxar, is the opposite. Crypto Data is a little bit more expensive than Zixxar, and there is no difference in delivering time because the warehouse and the company is the same. So everything goes out to the same logistics department, to the same delivering partner, DHL. So definitely my recommendation is do not buy on Crypto Data, buy on Zixxar and build your team. You get more advantages, you may get more discounts, more features, more bonuses, and you get to build your team. Crypto Data you can use only as a leverage to show your customers, to show your downlines, guys, if you use Zixxar, you have plenty of advantages comparing to the Crypto Data landing page, which is actually the company website and the company product presentation area. It's not a sales channel.
Right. Thank you very much for this info. But what prompted me to buy from Crypto Data website is that I see that the prices on the Crypto Data website are quite lesser. For example, the basin was going for $799. Is that $799? But on the Crypto Data website is going for $699, or is it $599? $599.
No, I'm pretty sure you make a confusion, mate. Somewhere there's a confusion. Still, we have a MotoGP discount on Crypto Data, but still on Crypto Data is a lot cheaper than Zixxar. Okay, Crypto Data is $800 compared to Zixxar, which is just a second, because now we have a few promotions in Zixxar due to the MotoGP, and we have the same promotions on Crypto Data in the same time. But definitely, Crypto Data cannot offer higher discounts than Zixxar. That's a clear rule.
Okay. All right.
Look, so best validator to now in Zixxar is 719 compared to Crypto Data 799, and both of them benefit of the MotoGP discount 20%. Back in the days before the MotoGP discount, it was Crypto Data somewhere around 999. And yes, 999 Crypto Data, and Zixxar was 899. So still $100 advantage on Zixxar on top of the other discounts and advantages and structure and everything. So as a generic rule, Crypto Data will never give better discounts than Zixxar. We want to support our Zixxar entity, our Zixxar platform to grow and engage sales, and we do not seek to engage direct sales on Crypto Data because the Crypto Data sales are unique. You sell once and that's it. You do not engage the customers. That is the beauty of Zixxar. You need to engage the community, keep them up to date, continue explaining the projects, and continue building team for selling and for marketing.
Okay, thank you very much for this information. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, if you don't mind, it's already 2 hours and my voice is leaving me. So shortly I need to leave you. So what do we need to remember from this call? Crypto Data continues developing all the projects to be built around Xiden. Okay, we build a lot of projects incorporating Xiden. All the projects we build incorporate Xiden to grow the brand awareness, the reputation, the usability, the usage, and the features of the Xiden project. Okay, we go global, marketing-wise, exposure-wise. We go global. This is the first global partnership we start with MotoGP, but not the last one. We have plenty of other huge things about to come, and I cannot reveal yet all the news. And it's not good to reveal all the news at once, but definitely we will go even higher than that. Thirdly, Zixxar platform, the new platform, incorporates a lot of the new features most of you demanded over time, such as placing somebody on a pre-chosen position, such as paying for packages with the commissions in the account, Xiden and Idane payments for the full package price, even with a 10% discount. The new NFTs that represent a physical validation device that you can later redeem, later claim to have delivered to your place anywhere in the world. New statistics for your sales, new performance statistics, new ways of paying for the prizes with the vouchers you can generate, new presentations in the back office to explain every single feature of the project. So the project grows bigger and bigger. The product portfolio grows bigger and bigger. We continue generating a lot of demand for Xiden, and we continue embedding Xiden into all the projects that we engage with. And the latest product we announced and we're about to launch is the decentralized studio. And the other one is the project that we will bring and unite the entire market of cryptocurrency exchangers, users, traders, holders, okay, as a performance bond for various, it's like an insurance or alike product for the users, for the exchanges, for the holders, traders, and so on. I don't want to spoil the surprise, so this is only a teaser of something that will be big and something that will be incorporated or it will incorporate big platforms such as Binance, such as Coinbase, Kraken, and the others. So definitely we do not sleep. Definitely we work on one side to develop the technology. On the other side, we work to implement the technology and give it utility. And on the other side, we build to generate brand awareness and partnerships, okay? We are here to last. Our company is here to last. Our products are here to last. And you are the only sales channel we have. You are our sales, you are our marketing, you are our community. And definitely, please do not forget, there's two ways of generating passive income. Once you get a product, you can use the product for their main purpose. The smartphone is a smartphone, the computer is a computer, the router is a router. On the same time, you can use them as secure devices, okay? So the Hider has a secured function, a secured operating system. Crypto Data OS on BASM is a secured operating system as well. The Minter Guardian does a lot of cybersecurity functions for the users. On top of that, the main passive income behind these devices is the validation rewards, okay, the mining rewards. So once you put these devices to work, they bring back rewards from validation, okay, under the way of Xiden, tradable Xiden that you can later value, sell, stake, do whatever you want with it. You're free to trade. On top of that, so this is one vertical of generating passive income. On the other side, the compensation plan says, if you work your asses a little bit and build a community and do the proper marketing to your community, you benefit of the passive income from the sales. It's a passive income. Once you build up the team, you can go to sleep, you can rest in a holiday, and your account in Zixxar generates commissions from the sales aggregated from your teams. So you can exactly be your own boss. Either or, both of them together or separate, you have two amazing ways of generating passive incomes. Okay, so it's all up to understanding how the things work. It's very simple. I understand for some of the community, these terms and the terminology, it's not exactly something very handy. But once you understand, it's super simple. And on top of this, you asked me about the recorded Zoom meeting today. Definitely it will be published, but today the Zoom call was actually an overview, a good overview on the platform, on the future, on the background, on what we develop and how we develop. Definitely, out of us, now we were 110 people in the Zoom. At least we have 40 or 50 amazing leaders over here. So I kindly invite, I mean, this Zoom will be published, but still you don't get too many details. You don't get a proper detailed presentation out of this, because I tried to approach a lot of subjects and a lot of topics in 2 hours. So what I would love is actually our amazing leaders here who already know the project very well, who keep understanding, who are in contact with us and understand the project and how things work. I would love if the leaders will actually start engaging their own training conferences in which they explain in detail compensation plan. They explain in detail the passive income from validation. They explain in detail what the devices do and what is the advantages of the hardware devices we build, of the products, okay, we sell. So definitely not the hardest job, but the most detailed job of explaining the products and the processes goes to the leaders who know the project, and I'm pretty sure they will engage a lot of Zoom calls in the next few days, explaining to their communities and downlines. So dear amazing, beautiful leaders, I count on you. And I count on you. If you don't understand something, just shout out. Most of you guys, I can see here names, you are in contact with me, with Emmanuel, with the office, with support and everybody. So shout us out, please, if you have questions. We clarify the questions with you because you're the leaders and you have to first understand the things, and then you can engage the community and assist the community. And I'm pretty sure I was clear about this, and you guys will definitely transmit the message in a proper way to the community, because the project grows bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And if it's not enough to hear the MotoGP, I give you a sneak peek from the next year. Next year is Formula One. Okay, just a sneak peek, once at a time. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, for the moment, my voice is dead. Okay.
All right.
Howard, you have the floor. You have the outro.
You got it. You got it, OT. Hey, listen, man, Ovidio, thanks for taking the time and giving these gentlemen an opportunity to, really throw down some knowledge there. It was great. Like other people were saying, great presentation. So we appreciate you taking the time of your busy day, man, because I know you're always working overtime. That's why I call you OT. But just to recap some of the stuff that was really important. And again, in regards to the leaders, trying to make sure that they learn the platform in its entirety. Again, because if you can do that and pass the information down, you're only going to grow larger. And for those people who do have maybe not complicated or complex questions, but don't forget about the how-to, the document section where you can look at something that you need to know. You can just run to that how-to, and hopefully that'll help you work some things out. Other than that, always you can contact support. So in closing, let me just reiterate some of the things that I think were very important in terms of the MotoGP worldwide exposure. It's going to be incredible. We've got the new chat feature, the tangible NFTs, the new platform for Zixxar, with just incredible number of features. We've got the improved compensation plan and and its benefits. We have the new product payment options, value cards, the new presentations in terms of what is Zixxar. What a great presentation that is. What a great visual that is, especially in its simplicity to help bring on other people. And then the trainings, as Ovidio had mentioned before, they'll be available as time goes forward. Little training videos, probably working hand in hand with the how-to. So, leaders, get out there and know your stuff. It's great to have so many people on board today. We had over 100 plus, and I'm glad people have stuck around to the end. I'm not going to sing any songs, so I want to thank you for coming out today, everybody, and we look forward to our next chat. Everybody, have a great day, and let's get some sales, baby. Let's get some sales. Let's get after it.